If you're thinking of publishing a book but don't know what niche to go for, this will save you a ton of time. I always start by browsing Amazon's bestseller list just to get a feel for what's trending. Then I narrow it down. Like instead of just children's books, I'll check subcategories like activities, crafts, and games. The more specific, the better. Once I've got a few ideas, I plug them into Publisher Rocket. That's where the magic happens. It tells me how many people are searching those terms, how competitive they are, and even how much money those books are making per month. I look for those low competition, high search volume keywords, especially the long tail ones. It's a way less competition, but still in demand. Then I check out categories inside Rocket too. Sometimes the category is the key to getting noticed. If you want to find winning niches and stop guessing what to publish, click the link in the description and grab Publisher Rocket. I use it before I write anything, and it's the reason I'm not wasting time on books that don't sell.